Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. In my previous video, we have seen about arithmetic mean, so if you want to watch that, there is a link in the description box below, you can check that out. Now sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l and Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's see how did we get this formula. So here is a theorem saying prove that the sum of n terms of an AP in which first term is a and common difference is d and the last term is l is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l and Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where l is your last term, right, and a is your first term and d is your common difference. So now let's see the proof. So first let's consider an AP having n terms in which a is your first term, right, and d is your common difference and we have l which is your last term. So here l is nothing but your nth term, right? We know l is nothing but your nth term, that is Tn. Agreed? Which is nothing but, we know nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Let's take this equation as 1. And we also know the general form of arithmetic progression, right? So also we know general form of arithmetic progression is given as a plus d, a plus 2d, right, and so on till l. L is your last term, right? Just before l we have l minus d. Agreed? Before to this number we have l minus 2d. We want the sum of n terms. So we have this n terms, right? So now we want the sum of n terms. So Sn is equal to sum of all these numbers. A plus d plus a plus 2d and plus and so on till l minus 2d plus l minus d plus l. Agreed? So let's take this equation as 2. Now let's simply reverse this equation 2. So by reversing equation 2, we have Sn is equal to, first let's write this L term, alright, plus this term, so L minus D plus L minus 2D and so on. Let's write this term here, A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A, right? So let's take this equation as 3. So now let's add the corresponding terms of equation 2 and 3. So Sn plus Sn will give you 2Sn, which is equal to A plus L, right, plus A plus D plus L minus D. Here if you see plus D and minus D will get cancelled. We are left with A plus L, right? Similarly, when you add these two terms, here we have A plus 2D plus L minus 2D. Here plus 2D and minus 2D will get cancelled, right? So we are left with A plus L and so on plus L minus 2D and A plus 2D. Minus 2D and plus 2D will get cancelled. So we have A plus L, right? Plus L minus D and A plus D and minus D will get cancelled. Again A plus L. And the last term we are left with A plus L, right? Since by adding corresponding terms of equation 2 and 3, right? So now we have 2Sn is equal to A plus L, A plus L, A plus L and so on. How many times? So n times. So we can write 2Sn is equal to n into A plus L, right? But before that, pause the video and note this down. So now we have 2Sn is equal to n times A plus L, right? Which implies Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, right? So we already got Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. And further we can write this L as Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus. Here L is your nth term, right? So nth term Tn is given by A plus n minus 1 into D, right? This we have seen in equation 1. Agreed? So Sn is nothing but n by 2 into A plus A is 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D and Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So hence the proof. Now let's see how to find sum of n terms by taking some examples. So here we have find the sum of following AP. AP is given as minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on up to 12 terms. First let's write what is given. So given here is A. A is your first term which is equal to minus 37, right? And your n is up to 12 terms. So your n is 12, right? And your common difference. So common difference D is equal to minus 33 minus 37, right? That is A2 minus A1 which is equal to minus 33 minus of minus is plus 37 which will give you 4, right? So similarly, when you see the common difference between minus 33 and minus 29, minus 29 minus minus 33, right? Which is equal to minus 29 minus of minus is plus 33 which is nothing but 4. So your common difference is 4. And here they have asked us to find the sum of the AP. So your Sn, right? So we know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So here n is 12. So 12 by 2 into 2 into A is minus 37 plus n is 12 minus 1 into D is 4. So which implies Sn is equal to 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. So 6 into, so 2 into minus 37 is minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 will give you 11. So 11 into 4 will give you 44, right? Which is equal to 6 into minus 74 plus 44 will give you minus 30. So your Sn is 6 into minus 30 will give you minus 180. So your Sn is minus 180. So your sum of given AP is minus 180. We will see one more example. Now let's see this example. Here it says find the sum of given AP, where AP is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus and so on till plus 10. So first let's write what is given. So given here is A is your first term, that is 34. And what is 10? Here 10 is your last term, right? So L. So L is 10. So now let's find what is your common difference. So D is equal to 32 minus 34, which will give you 32 minus 34 will give you minus 2, right? So your common difference is minus 2. And here they have asked us to find the sum of given AP. So now here last term is given, right? So we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, right? But to apply this formula, we want n. Now how to find n? We know last term is nothing but your Tn, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So by using this formula, we will find the value of n. So your last term is 10, which is equal to A is 34 plus n we don't know, minus 1 into D is minus 2, right? Which implies 10 minus 34 will bring this 34 to the left hand side, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2, right? So we have 10 minus 34 is minus 24. This minus 2 will bring down, right? Which is equal to n minus 1. So 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, and minus will get cancelled, which implies 12 is equal to n minus 1, right? So therefore your n is 12 plus 1, that is 13. So your n is 13. So now let's substitute this value of n in this equation. So we have Sn is equal to n is 13 by 2. Here A is 34 plus last term is 10, right? So Sn is equal to 13 by 2 into 34 plus 10 will give you 44, which implies Sn is equal to, here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. So 13 into 22, right? So therefore Sn is 13 into 22. So 13 into 22 will give you 286. So we will see one more example. Here it says find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. So first let's write what is given. So here find the sum of first 22 terms. So n is 22, right? And D is given, that is common difference is 7. And 22nd term is 149. So T of 22 is 149, right? And they have asked us to find the sum of 22 terms. So now how to do this? So in order to find the value of Sn, we don't know what is A. So by using this, we will find the value of A and then substitute the Sn. So first let's take this equation. We have T of 22 is equal to 149, right? So we know Tn is given as A plus n minus 1 into D. So here T of 22 is 149, which is equal to A plus n here is 22 minus 1 into D is 7, right? Which implies 149 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 will give you 21. So 21 into 7 is 147, right? Which implies 149 minus 147 is equal to A. So therefore your A is 2, right? So now let's substitute the value of A in Sn. We know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Which is equal to, so n here is 22 by 2 into 2 into A is 2 plus, so n is 22 minus 1 into D is 7. So which is equal to 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, so 11 into 2 2s are 4. So plus 22 minus 1 is 21. So 21 into 7 will give you 147, right? Which is equal to 11 into 4 plus 147 is 151. So which implies Sn is equal to 11 into 151 will give you 1661. So therefore your Sn is 1661. That is the sum of first 22 terms of AP is 1661. So this is it in this video. We will continue this as part 2 in my next video. So see you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.